What are the top 5 reasons for a skilled worker visa application to get refused?
Please note that the following reasons are not in a particular or linear order. So, number one, the salary requirements are not met. So, a skilled worker application may be refused if the applicant does not meet the salary requirements. Usually, this is because their sponsors have misunderstood the rules and used the lower salary threshold, or they haven't used the correct going rate when checking the applicant's role and eligibility. Number two, the skills requirement are not met. So a skilled worker application may be refused if the UKBI believe that the applicant does not meet the skills requirement for the job. Generally, the applicant must have at least equivalent to RQF level 3 to perform the job that has been offered as a skilled worker in the UK, or that they have the necessary work experience for the job or the role that they have applied for. Number three, inaccurate or false information provided, or the genuineness or credibility of the applicant. So a skilled worker application may be refused if the applicant has either intentionally or unintentionally provided incorrect or insufficient information on their application form. So if the UKVI believe that the applicant has deliberately provided incorrect information, this will be considered false representation, and the application could be refused under Part 9 of the immigration rules, which covers the general grounds for refusal. This is a reason for a refusal by the UKVI, as the suitability test requirement will not be met. Number four, the suitability requirement is not met. So, in connection with number three, a skilled worker application may be refused if the applicant has previous immigration violations. So, this can include any violations in any other country outside of the UK and also within the UK, and it will be refused under Part 9 of the immigration rules. In such cases, an application could be refused because the suitability test requirement is not met. So, for example, if in the course of their security and background checks, the UKVI have reasons to believe that the applicant may not be applying to enter the UK as a genuine skilled worker, for instance, if the applicant has a history of non-compliance with the UK immigration rules, such as overstaying in the UK, or they've been deported or had removal directions set against them, then there is a high probability that their application may be refused. Number five, the applicant does not meet the adequate maintenance requirement. So a skilled worker visa application may be refused if the applicant does not have sufficient funds to support themselves in the UK, if their sponsor has not certified their maintenance, and that's usually on the certificate of sponsorship. Applicants must show that they have at least the equivalent of £1,270 in their bank account for 28 days or more continuously, immediately before they submit their visa application.